morning. Say good morning. Okay. Green building. Who's Sri Lanka? Green. Allah is green. I am also in the green environment. I like it. What? So let me see. What is this concept is? Green building concept is that it is a tool to build a more energy efficient, resource efficient lifestyle. Basic concept, you have to save the energy, you have to save the resources, but why we have to do it? Why we have to do it? We don't have the energy, but we are using here is there is an non-renewable energy. The coal power, coal, there is one day there won't be a coal in this world. Oil, there is an end, right? So if you do not preserve this energy or the resources, future generation will not be able to live as we live today. So it is our responsibility to do something for the same energy and resources, so that the future generation will have the better future. Right? That is the target. So let me explain how this is done. My presentation, what I want you to know at the end of the 30-40 minutes later, you should have the what is the green building. You should have the answer. Then why we have to build it? You should have an answer. Then it is very, very important. What is the profit that you have by doing this one? But you never work if you do not have. This is human being. We have been talking years and years. Global warming, that, this and this, nobody cares. This is the human being. They think about it. They are selfish in a way. But if you saw a profit, people go for it. So that's what we have to show. There is a profit by doing this one, right? Then only we can do it. Without that, we never motivate. There is a human being. Therefore, I am trying to tell you why we build green. What is the green building? So if you learn this one, I am happy. Otherwise also I am happy. So see that we are taking the power from the wind. It is renewable. Wind is there. See the environment. Very beautiful. I like to live there. See the sky. Very beautiful. This is what we really want. So if you do this one, this is the profit that you can get. But we never be happy with the what we have in the sky, what we have in the forest, what energy we are getting. But we have to show some profit that you get end of the day, end of the month. That is like electricity bill, water bill and so on. Then only we do care. And this is maybe a kind of tricky business where we want to save the environment. We are trying to tell the people that you do, then your electricity bill will be lower. So that you see the direct benefit. Right? Whether we like it or not, development is taking place everywhere in this world. Right? If you go to the Colombo, you see a lot of buildings are building. If you go to the even Kandy, you might see that. It's continuous operation. Right? But what happened, as I told you, we depend on the non-renewable energy. It's an energy that you cannot use. But if you use the hydropower, that is something else. If you use the wind, that is something else. That is renewable. But the coal, again the petroleum, if you burn and get the energy, so that non-renewable. Again, we are using the extensive energy use. Right? This is beautiful city in Kandy. Right? We are putting the curtain. I'm not complaining. Putting the light and learning. You would have think in a different way. And then putting the curtain. We would have opened this. We would have some trees outside and then get that light. There are places. Do we really need the air condition sometime? can still use it. Likewise, we have to think again. Think. We have to go and think out of the box and see what we are doing. What we are doing is that we are creating many, many problems. Many problems. I realize many, many problems. You may have realized a bit. When I came to the University of Peradeniya in 1983, I didn't see any fan. Some people used to wear jacket in the evening, the climate. But today, we get a lot of fans, we get a lot of air conditioners inside the university. So climate has changed. We didn't have this much of illness, but we have a lot today. So that is because of the problem that we create. Many vehicles are coming out of the factories, many new construction, so many imports of the oils. We have to take the oil and burn carbon dioxide. So these are the problems that we create. Say we are using the oil, natural gas, coal, many other things in order to produce the electricity, right? So you never get it back. You don't have 1,000 years to go. Maybe another 75 years, 40 years, some of them will not be here. Some material that you are using, you cannot use it, right? You can remember about 5-6 years before, cube of sand was 600 rupees. Today is 6,000, sometimes it went to 8,000. Within a 4-5 years time, 10 times increase of the price. Likewise, if you think about anything that you buy, price are increased. See, the salary and various things has not gone up to that level. So that we see that we are creating problems. What are the other problems that we are talking in high end? Global warming. You might have it. Rising of the sea level. People say that some years later, some countries will no longer be in the world, right? And some part of the land will go away into the sea. Right? Pollution. See, pollutions. Not like we saw before. You can see if you go to the country like some cities in India, you cannot see you cannot get the daylight. Right? Smoke. But then again, you see the pollution. These are the problems that we have. We use a lot of unnecessary material, waste, dump, so the pollutions are there. So these are the problems that we create. One of the key area that we have to worry about is carbon dioxide emission. So whatever we do, we produce carbon dioxide. You see the trend. This is going like as you see. When you have the carbon dioxide in the air, increase the amount of carbon dioxide, the global warming. I am not going to describe about the theory, I just am going through the concept. So this is what happened. We are not ready to stop. It's going like that. So you may have to go. Maybe another, if you go by this rate, another 200 years later, when you come to the IFS, you have to come with the oxygen mask. Are you ready to do that? Yeah, I mean, you get used to it. Right? So that happened. Right? So this is the trend. So, very bad situation. Go to the next one. The temperature increasing. This is some data. We don't have it. Just see temperature, whether it is in the land or the ocean, temperature getting increased. Right? Go to the next slide. This is the temperature. Don't think about too much, but this is think about what is the temperature level. You can scale is given here. Like see, it's like there is very few red dots. The temperature increase. When you go to the next one, more red dots. That is 1980. See now, isn't it? Temperature is getting. So that I feel I feel it. I understand it. Right? This is happening. This is happening whether we like it or not. So we have to do something for this. Getting that. So maybe we will have to have the one day you are coming out of the bus is fully air conditioned, bus is well fixed to the tunnel, you get into the tunnel is air conditioned, you get into the building is done. But you know there are countries almost similar to that, right? Everywhere is air conditioned country, like Middle East country, everything, they live in the air conditioned environment. They are not living. That's what I say. These are the country for the human being to live. Country like especially Sri Lanka, especially city like Kandy. I mean, I have never seen a city like Kandy. It's one of the best cities in the world. One of the best cities. I have traveled to nearly 30-40 cities around the world. I have never, because there are periods where you get the best climate, but like some cities in May, very good, or October, very good, very nice, very beautiful, lot of flowers and many things. But you never get this continuously, right? But here in Kandy, you get this continuously. But some people say that is not it's a bad luck, some people say. So when you have no problem, you don't struggle to come out. You need a problem. But they cannot wear the same shirts every day. They have to earn it, so they have to earn money, right? They cannot live as we live every day. They have to buy for the different clothes, different material, different books and various other things. So they have to struggle the life. So that by struggling, people come out of with the innovation and develop. That may be the reason why they have developed. But anyway, it's a different topic. Is it the development in what is the development? Is it a tall building? Is it an air conditioned building? Big vehicle? I don't think so. We need it all, but it's not a development. So therefore, people say developed country, developing country. I never care. What is the development? I mean, if you are happy, that is the development. Do you think that the people who are in a big building are they happy? No, they have a lot of problems. Right? You don't have any more problems, right? As long as your parents look after you. But you have to study, you have to have the dream, vision for your life, come up with, do something for the country that you were born, and then make sure that your parent one day will be happy. He is my son, he is my daughter. So this is what we want. Right? That is the dream that you should have. Be a good citizen of this country and do something for this country. And then your parents will be happy. So that is what we want. You know that your parents are trying very best to bring you up, right? Make sure that that is number one target. The rest are second or third. Right? That is build a dream. Go boy. Then what happened? Population is increasing. About 10 years before, maybe population 18 million. Today, more than 20. Some country development rate is very fast. So it's okay. If you like to see the people are living in this world, that's okay. But what happened? When the population is increased, we will have to build something, build environment, we have to build. They need the housing, they need the road, they need the hospital, they need everything what you want, isn't it? Therefore, we have to build many things. Build environment. But nobody is sleeping now. One or two. Usually my class people used to sleep, they are not sleeping right now. You know that I have a simple rule. If you sleep, right, say that you are sleeping, then you are responsible, you are also responsible, you are also responsible. Four of you have to stand up and stay for 10 minutes. And now nobody is sleeping, because if somebody is sleeping, the next person has get up.